Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome back to the channel. And welcome to your daily updates on Solana. We'll do a full update here. Yesterday we had a relatively solid bounce. I actually expected us to hold this low. But in general, the situation is still the same, all right? We're at this major support level right here between 142 and ultimately the low of Friday the 16th, which is around 136, major support level, which you can also see historically if my internet is not screwing me over. Which you can also see historically right here, strong support level. We're consolidating at least on the 4-hour time frame. We have to get back to the daily time frame a little bit later as well because it doesn't look too amazing. But for now, I still think that this market structure we have, all right, so a consolidation between 162 up here and 136 down here, I think that will hold. All right, so what that means is that I do think Solana from here will be bullish. All right, because we're at the bottom of the consolidation. In general, like the main idea behind this is that we don't, or at least I personally don't really see a reason why we should give up the consolidation. I don't want to pretend like I think Solana is super bullish. I mean, if we look at Solana against Bitcoin, for example, that has been very bearish over the last 24 hours, so that's not great. Bitcoin itself is also consolidating, right? So Bitcoin is not bullish, the market is not bullish. But still, again, I also don't see a reason why the market could turn bearish. Now, that's always possible. I mean, we've had countless times in the last couple of months where external factors, I mean, we've already forgotten about the German government, but where external factors, also in terms of political instability in the world, can cause something like that. But purely technically, Solana is getting a decent bounce here. Solana is relatively weak, but that doesn't mean that we're going to give up such a strong technical level, right? So again, like I said, Solana is relatively weak. That's still the case. And there's even quite a lot of short positions being opened here. That could be bullish if we actually get into some sort of a squeezing action, right? So if Bitcoin gets bullish and Solana is able to follow that, the amount of shorts open right now and the short ratio could provide enough liquidity to the upside to actually have a decent pump. But for now, due to the weakness of Solana, I would say that yes, I think this level will hold, and we might spike down lower. That's always a possibility. But for now, I would say this level will hold, but it will be slow. All right, there's no real momentum. There's no buying momentum behind Solana, right? There is momentum, like the open interest is growing, but it's mainly short. So I would say slowly we can do something like this, unless we get some either bullish fundamental news for Solana or Bitcoin turns very bullish. I mean, if Bitcoin turns very bullish and Solana is able to follow that, which yesterday was a little bit weak, then we can actually get that breakout above 142, right? So a bullish reclaim, a positive reclaim, and then due to the liquidity, we can spike up to something like 155 and 157 relatively quickly. So that is a possibility, but only if we get some momentum from the market or from Solana specifically. Outside of that, I would say it's most likely to expect some movement down here. Like I said, some sort of a fake out here is also a possibility, but I do think we will reclaim 136 support and consolidation down here and then slowly get back up above 142. 142 is the main resistance level right now. Break above that and then slowly move up to 150, etc. But the main things to watch are just Bitcoin and the momentum for Solana. I mean, the momentum for Solana right now is really not something to write home about. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think for now. I will keep you updated on this, of course, but that's there's really not much additional information to give you on Solana. So for now, thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next videos, and bye.